you just gonna take that? Make them take it all back. Don't tell me you believe that. Are you just gonna take that? Or will you fucking fight back? Watch out, watch out, watch out, watch out!
So Sean said he gonna try to shovel that part for me. Okay, go ahead, Sean, so we can open the door.
It is so deep.
It is. Look how deep that is. And it's still snowing.
Yeah.
Still snowing. I managed to get the back over here. I gotta keep doing it though. But I'm gonna show y'all before and after. Sean, you doing a good job.
Let's see if we can open the doors now. Yeah, we can open the doors now.
Yep, much wider. Good job.
Gotta shovel the snow out the window. So.
Alright, y'all. So we're gonna do a before and after of my car. This is Summer's third winter. Yes, and she's still looking good. Alright, let's do this. Before and after. Let's go. Quick update. We are almost out of here. Sean is doing a really good job. Sean,
Yeah.
good job.
Great job.
Show me your Kung Fu fighting skills.
Okay. Everybody, let's go.
My Pooh Bear.
We're done finishing shoveling the snow.
Not really. We got a lot more to go.
Actually, no, we got a few more to go because we gotta go over there. So yeah, so we'll see you guys.
What did we just make? Tad? Alright. Me and Sean just made snow angels. Here's mine. And here's Sean's. Alright guys, we was able to get out. That's where I was at. That's my baby right there. She lasted me years, baby. Summer, I love you. What's up, YouTube land? It's your girl Talkie P95 here, back with another banger. I was gonna say video, but then I said banger, so that actually is good.
What you talking about, Willis?
I got my nephew in the car with me. What's up, Sean?
Guys? We're going sledding.
We going sledding.
Yep, it's a perfect snow day.
Alright, y'all. We in Wally World.
When I'm going by the booth, these things is not water resistant. My feet getting wet.
I told her the Uggs was gonna get wet. She just wanted to wear them.
I didn't know these things was,
Okay. We getting close to them. My bad, Pooh.
Oh, they got a fitting room. They got fitting rooms.
Man, let me see the length of it. Them nice. Got the fam with me. Gonna go sledding. I'm so excited, y'all. Check out my snow. I don't think y'all know. Y'all don't know. I don't think I'm ready for this snow. I'm ready. Sean is ready. We ready for this snow. We was born for this snow. When we shine. We was born for this snow. Alright, y'all. Let's go find my mom some snow boots. Me voy a matar, te me gusta, uy, 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 me voy a matar, uy.